Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about attributes. You know that attributes are generally store the non-geometric information in your NX part, and along with that, they also store some information related to expressions. So let's see what are those expressions available in this particular part that I have opened in NX. If I go to file properties, I can see the list of attributes. There could be several type of attributes, some like related to materials like this one, where I have a material assigned to this component. I have again some user defined attributes like description, mounting type, part number, uh, yeah, and there could be some other expressions, some other attributes which are coming from the expressions that. So we basically can even link the expressions and attributes together, but that is not available in this particular part, but that's also a possibility. So let's see what I wanted to show you today. I would like to show you a journal, a small piece of program that can report all these attributes to you in a in the information window. We can even go a next step ahead, one step ahead where we can export these attributes either in a notepad file or a Excel file. That for now, let's see uh, how I reporting those attributes in a window, in a display window. So this is the journal, which is you can see it's a very few lines of code. When I click on play button, let's see what it do. You can see this is the information that's been reported by this journal in this window. We can see all of those attributes: mounting type, description, whether it is bought or manufactured, again part number, its material. So all of these user defined attributes, basically all of those attributes along with its value are populated in this window. So it is a simple journal file, simple script to report this in a very quick basis. And there could be various ways or various avenues where you can use this kind of scripting in your job. It can be extended to do lot of various things. If you have got any ideas what you can do on top of this basic idea of getting user attributes, then just please share with me on my in the comment section in just below this video. And if you are like if you like my content, if you like my videos, please do not forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. I will keep on share- creating such videos on different examples from NX7 programming. So keep watching my channel. Thank you for now and see you.